This multifunctional Dyson vacuum is a hit in over 1 million German households. Combining vacuuming, blow drying, inflating, and vacuum sealing all in one. With various attachments, you can easily clean up debris from any nook, leaving no spot untouched. In just 2 minutes, your car's interior will be spotless without damaging the upholstery or paint. Equipped with Dyson's powerful motor, it weighs only 1.2 pounds but boasts an impressive 12,000 power of suction power, effortlessly sucking up small stones within a 30 km range. Plus, it can even vacuum seal storage bags. Swap to the blower attachment, and you've got the same power for dusting and inflating like filling up a double air mattress in just 15 seconds. A large lithium battery keeps it running wire-free for up to 12 hours. Whether you're using it around the house, in your car, or outdoors, it delivers outstanding efficiency. It's on sale now. Order today and get 50% off.